In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to improve game performance, specifically windowed games, on your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Windows search menu and search for settings. Go ahead and open that up, should be the best result. Select System on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to select Display. And then on the right side again, scrolling down underneath related settings, select graphics. And then versus optimization for windowed games, go ahead and toggle that to the right to enable. Restart your computer, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.